This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable tab grouping on the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. To enable or disable tab grouping, Opera GX calls tab grouping tab islands. But to enable it or disable it, you want to first open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little red O logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. The keyboard shortcut for Settings is Alt+P. I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, I am on the Appearance tab. Then you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see it says Top Bar, and under Top Bar it says Manage Top Bar, and under that it says Automatically Create Tab Islands. That's basically tab grouping. By default it is probably toggled on, but to disable it you would just toggle this off, and to enable tab grouping you would just toggle it on. That is how to enable or disable tab grouping on the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.